What is up, guys? Welcome back. And Polygon Matic, okay, we're going to talk about that pretty much at will on this channel. However, today I want to get into some incredible price action we are seeing with Matic, kind of go why this run that Polygon is on, if it will not be short-lived, and if I see this blossoming into something incredible as we look into possibly another crypto overtaking Cardano. All right, so Cardano is another crypto we talk about on this channel. However, I'm going to talk about why Polygon Matic is going to overrun Cardano in the near future. Okay, and I'm a believer of Cardano. I see them lasting a long time in this crypto game. However, as it relates to total market capitalization and kind of just what is going on, this has nothing to do with tokenomics, and I believe in the long approach Cardano is taking. But I just want to more or less point out to you guys how I feel about Matic on the day and where they're headed. Okay, so I'm going to get into that as well as talk to you guys about the chart. We're going to see where Polygon and Cardano are currently trading. But first, hit that subscribe button, join the discussion, join Not Your Father's Capital, and let's get down to it. All right, so if we take a look at the crypto bubbles, you can see basically crypto's having a nice day into the green. However, Polygon Matic down 1.8% on the day, albeit having a very strong month, up 43% on the month. Okay, so the chart looks very healthy as we look to rebound in 2023 from the 2022 bear that we have been going through. All right, so Polygon very strong. All right, now Cardano seeing basically flat on the day. Got over that 40 cents threshold, so that's a big psychological effort as we look to overcome some of the losses Cardano has been going and experiencing. Up 10% basically on the month, but still down 49.7 if we go back a full year. All right, and that is coming down from over $1. But Cardano still ranks 7th in market capitalization, and Polygon is 9th. Now let's get into what Polygon is actually doing to extend their run. All right, now this has a lot to do with the adoption and their rise of their actual network, and we all know about the collaborations that they're forming with large companies, and we're going to talk about that ad nauseum on this channel because Polygon Matic is just beginning. All right, so when we talk about basically Polygon's recovery, a lot of this has to do with because the assets are all tied to layer 2s, and that upscaling we're seeing is basically rallying around the exposure of Chinese investors. Okay, and that is bringing a second wind as crypto looks to recover back from what begun that recovery in January. Now, Polygon's performance is up almost 25% in value, and this has been accelerated due to this layer 2 network scaling, basically which Polygon is actively developing. Now, Matic is the strongest in the market, despite what we are seeing from the bears dominating the charts. Now, this is a huge uptrend, guys, when we look at why the correlation between layer 2 networks and price action into the green is very crucial for the development of Polygon Matic and all of crypto, okay? Because you need things as far as utility can take you, you need basically evolving of your protocols and basically evolving crypto to crypto to form that competition that is healthy for good organic growth. All right, now this has been a very significant topic throughout crypto, especially as NFTs and DeFi continue to grow. This is just causing an unbelievable wave of activity and volume on Ethereum network. So a lot of people are looking to layer 2 solutions to kind of get out in front of what possibly could be another falter within the crypto space. All right, so we've seen Polygon Matic surge. And we've been basically currently, if you look at the chart, you can see it's at $1.47, guys. So when we look back in November when the partnerships were announced and we were trading at 87 cents, Polygon Matic, we were ready. Basically, a lot of people were getting ready to, retire on the prospects of Polygon Matic up at $1.30, and $1.30 is just, they thought the end could not be stopped due to the partnerships and collaborations. It was an unbelievable run they had in November, despite the rest of the market lagging. All right, so the partnerships and the use cases that Polygon is expanding upon, and basically all of your favorite Fortune 500 companies, a lot of sports and entertainment sector is just unbelievable in terms of adoption, guys. And I think that's something that can vault Polygon Matic ahead of its competitors, is all of the collaborations they're having with all of these partnerships, okay? So that's what I got for you on terms of what is driving Polygon higher. But now this is what is going on, why Cardano might be, unfortunately, taking the brunt of it. When we look at why Matic got into the top 10, on the new year, and now we're seeing it's threatening Cardano in market capitalization. All right, and basically, when we look at being proof of stake systems, there's a lot of similarities between Cardano's blockchain and Polygon Matic. That's why I wanted to bring this article to you guys. As we look at what represents the supply in differentiating these two tokens, we can see basically Matic having 87% of their supply and 50% locked up about, and Cardano basically is 72% that's dedicated to the staking pools. Okay, so that's pretty much one of the differences when it comes to the tokenomics and the circulating supply. However, as it relates to Matic possibly overtaking Cardano, it has nothing to do with the tokenomics, okay? We're talking about Polygon's large collaborations with the global corporations, as well as basically all of their high demand innovations such as ZK, EVM, okay? And that has basically led to Matic capitalization doubling in early 2023. All right. So when we talk about all this, you know, Cardano has made moves. Okay. We've talked about the stable coins. Okay. We've talked about all of their upgrades, the Valentine upgrade. It's just they are following their roadmap to a T, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, but the point of this article are for more so of investors that are maybe on a different trajectory. We look at the pace of investing and what they're looking to get out of their wallet and portfolio. Polygon Matic might be a larger boom in the short to middle term. We look at kind of intermediate gains and seeing a big pump coming, because right now Polygon is growing at rates that a lot of cryptos aren't able to sustain or achieve. All right, so basically we are seeing the rise of Polygon Matic, and I think it's going to be an ongoing topic in 2023, especially as we get some help from some larger macroeconomic factors at hand. All right, so that's what I got for you guys. I want to know down below in the comments, though, do you guys like Cardano or Polygon Matic for the long haul? Let me know in the comments, and thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next video.